Again, part 3. A little higher quality of the tractor, the shovel trying to push the snow, which looks like a good 4 or 5 feet piles as he's pushing. You can zoom in a little. Zoom out, you don't see much. We zoom in. See, even with this, he's having a hard time. While he's stopping, must be the canvas what he's done. Another quick glance around. Again, my walkway, my driveway, my fence, which I'm gonna have to at some point work on with the snow plow. Hopefully I have enough gas for that. And that's probably a good 5-foot stack right there. Easily. 5.5 foot, maybe 6. And everything looks smaller here on this here. And here's pushing again. He's still moving that. Trying to get in there. Would be a good thing for me if he just stacked it all right in front there, so when they come through there unable to stop, they hit that instead of plowing into my fence again. You see, this guy's really taking his time to make sure he does it right. More power to him. He's doing a heck of a job. I have to give it to him. Considering the size of that equipment in the driveway and the cars around it. And then the terrible view you probably have looking out my window. As he's doing that, Again, you can see Melanie's snowman, which she started and I guess decided to wait and finish later. And the amount of snow I have on my steps, there's the top of my step. So you figure I've got my work cut out. There's 5 steps, 4 maybe 5 steps there. Now he's pushing that, as you can see. That's a lot of snow. It's a person that really is taking their time to make sure they do it right. Doing it efficiently and doing it right, correctly. We're gonna pause